In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to change candle colors in Tradingview. So the first thing you need to do is just to right click on the Tradingview. Then after you right click, click on settings at the bottom. After you click on settings, click on symbol. After you click on the symbol, then you can now choose which part of the candle you want to change the color. Let us assume you want to change the green first. You can easily select this green, and then if assuming it is the body that you want to change, you can easily change it. Assuming it is the borders or the wick. Let us assume I want to change the body right now. I can easily change it to color blue, as you can see. And then let us assume I want to change the body of my bearish candle to black. Then I will just click on this red and then select it, and as you can see, it has changed to color black. Yeah, and that's how it is done. And also you can also change the wick, choose the color that you want in the wick options. So yeah, and yeah, that's it. Hope you find this video helpful. Can you like and subscribe to the channel? Thank you for watching.